Technical analysis is the study of historical price action. Now we're going to go deep into technical analysis. The base of historical prices is what we call a chart. A chart is the first thing that comes to mind when we are talking about historical price action and technical analysis. The first thing that comes to mind is the chart. Technical analysts use charts because they are the easiest way to visualize historical data. If I'm analyzing the price action of a currency pair, I need to look at the chart of that pair and for a specific time frame. A chart, or more precisely, a price chart, happens to be the first tool that every trader using technical analysis needs to learn and understand. For sure, looking at that chart right now, you see there's an uptrend, there's a downtrend. There is a consolidation, which is a sideways trend. The price is moving in a sideways movement. And then right after that, there's a big trend again. Price go into a sideways also, and then a consolidation zone. And then you went down, and then price reverse again to go up. This is how the chart look like. Let's look at now a stock chart. This is Tesla. Okay. If we look at this in January 2023, Tesla was selling for $115, as you can see right here. So from there, it's going up all the way to $297. And right now, as you can see, price is about $212 now. This is the weekly time frame. And we can see, if we go to the monthly time frame, the highest price has been is here, almost $400 in Tesla. And the last one, he went to about $100, and it went up. Now you can look at this. You can see the whole history of Tesla in this chart. So let's look at a pair, a Forex pair. Let's look at CAD JPY. As you can see, let's put daily time frame. This is what CAD JPY has been doing. See that it's been moving between this area here and this area here. And if you are trading that pair, you better see the highest price was here. Now price is back at that level again. This is a candlestick chart for CAD JPY, Canadian dollar versus US dollar. Here is the line chart. You can see that's the line chart at CAD JPY. So this is a currency pair. Let's look at an index, NAS. Yesterday, as we were recording this video, NASDAQ broke off from the highest it's ever been. Okay, this is why history is important. Let's go back to show you. Okay, let's go to the monthly time frame to show you everything. You see this? This is the NASDAQ from the beginning. Okay, this is the whole history of the NASDAQ. Okay, from 2004, 2003, all the way to today in 2024. See, that's the whole, and it's been going up, is in a bullish trend. Any financial asset with price data over a period of time can be used to form a chart for better analysis or understanding. You can show somebody a chart and they can see exactly what happened. With a chart, it's easy to identify and analyze a currency pair movement, pattern, and tendencies. With the chart, it's easy to do that. So
With a chart, it's easy to identify and analyze a currency pair movement, pattern, and tendencies. With the chart, it's easy to do that. So how do you read this? On the chart, there is two axes. There's a y-axis, which is a vertical axis, and there is an horizontal axis, which is the x-axis.
This is the chart for Tesla. How do we read this thing? So if we go on the right hand side, the right hand side is the price. Price. This is the vertical line, the y-axis or vertical include prices. This is all the prices. As you can see, Tesla. Let's look at from here to here. Okay, so now we are reading that chart. We see in on the bottom of the screen is the horizontal line, what we call the x-axis. It gives you time. We have to understand time, and we have to understand price. Price in the vertical axis, we call that the price axis of price scale, and the bottom is time scale, okay, or x-axis or horizontal axis. As you can see, this is November, December down here. So if we put a line here, this is we're reading this, okay, and we put another line here. Okay, so let's read this. You can see this is October 30th, 2023. Tesla open at $197. You see, that's the price right here. We go time and we go across for price, $197. By December, Wednesday, December 27, 2003, price was up all the way to here. What's that? From December to, and look at the price. It's mid right here and $261. So when price was here, if you bought Tesla stock, you hold it from October at $197. When it's hit in December, $261, you would make a good return on your investment. This is how you read a chart.
A chart represents every buy and sell transaction of a financial instrument or financial asset. In our case, we're talking about currency pair at any given moment. That's what this chart represents.
That's the price we present, the supply and demand, or change in prices. That's what the chart represent. So this is the chart. This is a line chart. We will do a little bit on that. So we can see if we put some line, this is here, and we put another one here. Okay, so now we're looking at what chart we present. So from here, this time here, this is we're looking at Ethereum. This is we're gonna take a short amount of time. We said we're going to look at what it represents between a certain time, all the news, all the transaction that happen in this at Ethereum. People, this is here. This is the what we call the demand area. This is a demand area. Why? Because at that point, people start buying. Okay, a lot of demand. People want to buy, and that's what happened. They buy. They buy it from $1,556 to $2,354. This is from October 9, 2023 to Monday, December 4th, 4th, 2022. During that short period of time, end of October, November, and beginning of December, the price of Ethereum changed from that point here to that point. You see, it's almost double. So if you bought Ethereum at 1560, and then you if you bought it, if you sold at this price, $2,354, you would make almost double your money. Okay, this is what price the change in price from that time to that time. Price change a lot, and now when we get to that point here, we find a supply zone. A supply, this is where people sell, right? A lot of people, they sell at that point. They sold Ethereum and it went down. That's what it's mean to you by looking at this. This is every news, everything is included in that price here. Let's put it in another way, which is the candlestick way. You can see what happened. This is a weekly time frame for 9 weeks. Price of Ethereum go up, and you can see the green candle telling us this is bullish candlestick. Each one represents a day. This is how we understand what is the price, what's the price chart represent. It's telling you what happened during each period of time. Price keep going up and up until it hit here, where price goes down and consolidating, going sideways on that area here before continue to go up again. So
Charts blend all activities from the millions of market participants, whether they are human or algorithms or robot. Okay, so the chart get all this information is in the chart. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're trading by hands or if you're trading on a computer. If the program is trading for you, it, AI is trading for you, all this information is included in the market. Now there is three type of charts that we all traders need to be aware of, but there is two that are the most important: are line charts and a candlestick chart. But there's a third one, is a bar chart. We'll go over each of them, but we will focus going forward on the line chart and the candlestick chart. We'll study candlestick, we'll study pattern, we'll study all this. That way you have a complete program in your hands. Three most popular type of price chart: line chart, bar chart, and candlestick chart.
so what is a line chart? A line chart draw a line from one closing price to the next closing price.
So if you take from one point to the next point, it gives you the closing of that day to the closing of the next day. When sprung together, when put together with a line, we can see the general price movement of a currency pair over a long period of time. Very simple, but we have to understand the line chart may not provide the traders with a lot of details about the price movement during a certain period of time.
This type of chart is usually used to get a big picture view of price movement. The line chart also show trend because you can see it as soon as you open it. For example, from here to there, price was going down. From here to here, price was going up. The trend is up, and here the trend is down. You can see the trend clearly. You can see what you can see the trend. An example of a line chart. Okay, now this is NASDAQ 100. This is the index that track all the tech sector, telling you what's going on in the tech sector. This is the NASDAQ 100. That's the index. As you can see right now, you're looking at a line from one. Let's take an example from one closing line to the other. Let's put some line down here. We're gonna put one here, and then we're gonna put one right here. Okay, so we are looking at a line chart for Nasdaq 100, and now we can see from Tuesday. We know now the bottom line, bottom of this screen. This is the x-axis represent time, and the on the right hand side, this is the y-axis, represent the price. From December 17, 27, Tuesday, December 27, 2022, to Monday, December 24, 2023, we can see price close here at 10,979, and here is where price closed in December and July. Price closed way up here, 15,734. That's what we see in the line chart. It doesn't give you too much information. It show you that the one of the things it show you the trend. See, look at that. Price was going up during that time. Okay, the line chart is the best chart to show the trend. You open the chart, you can see what happened from one time frame, from here, from December 2022 to July 2027. I mean 2023. What price was doing? Price was going up, and then you see the trend. That's the bullish trend, an uptrend. Okay, and the you can put a line if you want, and it gives you, oh, it's going up. That's the uptrend. Okay, this is the line chart. It gives you the big picture. That's the big picture we're looking at right now.
Okay, let's look at the bar chart. The bar chart shows the opening and closing prices as well as the highs and the lows of price during a certain period of time.
Bar chart help a trader see the price range of each period. You can see here, if we're looking at this, you can see price open here and price close here. But during that time, if this is a 1 hour chart, 1 hour bar chart, it's telling you during that period, the lowest price get is here, the highest price get was right here. So the bottom of the vertical bar indicate the lowest trade price for that period of time, while the top of the bar indicate the highest price paid. The vertical bar it itself indicate the currency pairs trading range as a whole. From here to here is the range that price open, go down, go all the way up here, come back and close here. So that's the range.
As the price fluctuations become increasingly volatile, the bar become larger or longer, if you would say that. As the price fluctuate, become quieter, the bars become smaller. Candlestick chart. Right now, the third one is the candlesticks chart. Candlestick chart show the same price information as a bar chart, but in a prettier graphic format.
Okay, we'll see that. That's the candlestick bar chart. The larger block or body in the middle indicate the range between the opening and the close. Okay, this is the bar. This is the opening and the close. This is it right here. Okay, opening and close, or opening and or close. So this is it right here. So we know the white right now telling me it's open here and close here. The black is telling me open here, close down here. So the candlestick help visualize bullish and bearish sentiment by displaying bodies using colors. For example, the white inside the bar, inside the body, represent bullish, and the black inside his body represent bearish. Down, open, close, open, close. Okay, open lower, close high. open higher, close lower. That's a bearish candle.
Okay, so let's look at some advantage of candlestick chart. Candlesticks are easier to interpret and are good place for beginners to start figuring out chart analysis. This is good for beginning trader. Everybody uses it. I use it. Most traders use it. But if you're a beginner, that's the one to stick and understand really, really, really well. Okay, candlesticks are easy to use. Your eyes adapt immediately to the information on the bar, and because of the different color, and it shows a visual, you can see it, red or blue candlestick, for example, and it might help with trading as well. So if we have a succession of blue or of green candle, which is if your green is bullish, say, oh, price is gonna continue to go up until it get to a certain level. So that might help you as well. Candlesticks are good at identifying market turning points, trend reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend, or from a downtrend to an uptrend. You will learn more on this later for sure.
Here is an example of a candlestick chart. Now it's a line chart. Let's move it to candlestick. As you can see, this candlestick give you a lot of information. It gives you a graphic representation. Okay, it's a graphic format, and the best thing, it's a pretty chart, doesn't it? It's a pretty chart. This is what we call a candlesticks chart. Now, what's interesting, you can see for each time frame, we're looking, let's go to a different time frame. All right, so look at that. Beautiful. So you can see what price is doing here. You can see the range, price open here and close here. So this is, we will do more in candlestick for you, but we'll want to show you the visualization. You can see every time it's green, that's mean price is going up. It's a bullish. Okay, this is a bullish. Let's do it. See, bullish. Let's do it. From here, price is going up, bullish. See, and then price go red, price is going down, bearish. From here, price going up again, bullish. You can see those telling you. See, from here, price is going down again. Look at that combination. And from there, what's price is doing? Price is going up. You see, this is what the body of each of these candlestick. Each one of these candlesticks is a bullish candlestick. It's open here, it's closed here. It's open here, it's closed here. Look at the bearish candlestick. Let's open it wide so you can see it better. Let me remove this. Look at that. Okay, so price get here and down, open here, close here, open here, close here. That's it's give you a good visualization of the bullish and the bearish. Look at that. What do you think this is? We see? Look at that. Bearish. Boom. It trying to go up. Go down again. And then next, it goes bullish. Boom. You see, you can see how not only it's pretty, but it's clear. You give you all the information that you need. That's the colors make it clear when it's going up, when it's going down, right? So this is why it's a good thing for beginners to learn those basics of fundamental analysis, which is candlestick chart. We will go down looking at candlestick, type of candlestick, how to get more information, how to understand this way better.